Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send multiple photos to your channel on the Telegram app using your PC with the latest update. This is a quick and simple process that lets you share your images all at once, making your content sharing much easier. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You can do this by launching the desktop application or accessing Telegram through your web browser. Next, navigate to the specific channel where you want to post your photos. Open that channel so you're ready to share your images. Now, look for the attachment icon inside the channel's chat window. This is usually a paperclip symbol located near the message input box. Click on this icon to open the attachment menu. From the available options, select Photos and Videos. This will open a window where you can browse your computer's files to choose the photos you want to send. Go ahead and select all the photos you wish to upload. You can select multiple images by holding down the Control key CMD key on Mac while clicking on the pictures. Once you have picked your photos, click the Open button to add them to your message. Finally, you just need to click the Send button, and Telegram will instantly share all those photos to your channel. That's it. You've now successfully sent multiple photos to your Telegram channel on your PC. This feature is perfect for sharing moments, announcements, or any visual content quickly and efficiently. Enjoy sharing with your audience and stay connected with your channel's community.